Again, I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique.
Woo! Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Renouy from OC Imaging, and in today's video I am visiting another resort, and this time I am definitely going to be doing more recording than I did when I went to Grand Bahia. So thank you so much for joining. If you haven't, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get to this. I've got my pink mask on. Are you okay? Hey guys, so we have made it, and yes, I said we have made it to Royalton Blue Waters, and currently gonna book in. I don't know if you can see what's happening with the cars, but parking is kind of crazy, but you know, it is what it is. So I had to park way down there, and heading back to the lobby right now. So let's get to it. I don't know why I just did that. All the way down at the gate. So I need to get it? Yes.
I think so.
Okay. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi again?
Hi.
No, you're supposed to say hi again.
Hi again.
Thank you. Bye. Alright, so because I always leave my driver's license in the car, I need my ID to book in. So I'm heading back to the car here in Akom, heading back to the car to get my driver's license to book in. Good times! Good times.
Alright. Excuse me. Do we leave these here on this board?
Door run, it's not gunshot. Say it again.
Do we leave these here on this board?
Yes, my lady. We give some tickets for
Yes,
them.
we did.
So you're gonna hold on to those, right? At the end, walk with me. At the end, when the check-in is finished, once the room is ready, they're gonna be writing the room numbers and that.
Okay.
So you hand it back to us so we know what room to take it back.
Just
So.
take it there.
Right. It's a birthday?
Yes.
They got this.
Alright. I got sunshine on a cloudy day. Did you see that shirt? It's cold outside. I've got the company. You said you love that one. So this is the birthday girl.
Hi.
Birthday girl, looking all shallow and stuff. Hey birthday girl.
Hi.
Let me put a close up birthday girl.
Okay.
Too close now birthday girl? Let me back up now birthday girl.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Put it on today.
Thank you.
It's not her hair, but
It is my hair.
thank you very much.
You too.
Alright, so we have just booked in and gonna get our luggage taken up to our room, which is room 3310. For them people that we will see use them old Nokia phone there, it's room 3310. So yeah, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna get our luggage and get to the rooms. So I'll see you when I get there.
Ooh. You gonna go already?
Okay. Okay. Yes. Sorry, I got mixed up for just a second. I was going the wrong way. Let me see what 20 years. Let me see. Wait, you got the keys?
Oh yeah, take care.
Wow, that's good. Alright, so call me country, but I didn't know this. Apparently, this is the key, so here we go. Oh, the bathtub is perfectly positioned because I have some photos in mind.
4.
Woo! Shit!
4.
Look, the bathtub photos. You know this, Yanique. This is perfect.
Ooh.
This is great. Oh, let's open these windows. Oh my gosh.
Hey, we got the best view.
Oh
I don't
my
care what
God.
nobody says.
No.
Can I open the door? Yeah, let me try. It says also in our house. Nope. Alright, so
Yes, you can do no
wait.
Yeah.
It's outside.
Yes, Lord, yes. Yes, Lord, yes. Yeah. All right. Photos are plenty. All right. So yeah, we are at our room. It's not the highest floor. We wanted a higher floor, like way up top, but we're on the 3rd floor. It is, to be honest, pretty good. I have no complaints. And like the bathtub, I cannot get over the bathtub because I have some plans for some bathtub photos. I'm about to have myself a damn good weekend.
You know, me I try to do a boomerang kind of thing, but it's not really a boomerang. What? Going down? You're not
Hmm?
I was for sanitizing. This elevator doesn't feel like an elevator on it. I don't know if you notice it. Yikes.
Why you press it again?
I never pressed it before.
Oh.
Bring on. It's fine.
I'm always.
Pause.
No, you're fine.
Oh, okay. She went to this under there in the room.
What? Wow! Hey! We are currently walking the grounds, you know, just getting acquainted with the place. Got here evening, so you know, not a whole lot to do right now. But there's a lazy pool. That's tomorrow's story. But I just took some photos. I'm gonna put a few of them up right now. Are you done looking? Okay. So I just did those photos quickly in the room, which by my reaction, you know, not the room was very nice. Well, at least for me, it's nice. Levels to this stuff, but yeah, nice. Never have I ever used my camera at, oh lie, I used my camera at ISO 6400 once. Yeah, I guess I'll see the footage in a bit. Yeah, so we're in the coffee section right now. I said coffee in my last video, and then I said I don't drink coffee. I don't drink dark coffee. But we're just, you know, checking out some stuff. So, yeah. First night at Royalton. You got stuff to do. But I mainly shot some photos and ate some food. I was really tired before I got here, so I went to bed pretty early last night. But it's a brand new day. About to get some breakfast. Maybe take some shots after that. I have another video that I want to do shortly or later on, and I'm just gonna make the most of the day and try to have as much fun as possible. That's pretty much it. Whew. But let me know what you think of the video so far, how I'm doing in regards to what I've caught on camera so far. And also let me know what you think of Royalton. And comment below which hotel you've been to before and what's been your favorite. Which has been your favorite hotel. But yeah, see you guys at breakfast. Alright, so it's that time of the day. We are heading to get some food.
Okay, what do you think about Yanique? Money, man. You prefer inside or outside table? In, yeah. Come with me. Okay. Good morning, sir. How are you? Good. This should be salad.
Oh, is that John Legend? I'm sure.
My favorite. So while we're waiting here, can you get the pancake and the bacon here? What would you like?
Question.
Oh, that's poached egg.
Not too bad.
We're
Those
good.
eggs. Is there an actual baby chicken in there?
Wait.
The egg.
No. They have some bacon, please.
What are you dipping it in? What's he dipping it in? The dip. What is it? Ah, they have French toast dips. Bear with me. Ah, look at you. All skilled with your French toasty dippiness. Don't need to. Yeah. Want to ensure I have put it? Yeah. So, we're going into some lights shortly. But let me just do this. Breakfast. Oh, this is where we're sitting. I absolutely love this location. Thank you very much.
Yes. Fruit.
I realize they're looking
And
for
tea.
them.
Coffee.
So, hey guys, I am stuffed. I'm stuffed. I had a lot to eat just now, which you saw. So next up, heading back to the room. Well, gonna walk a bit, then I'm gonna head back to the room because I have some photos there that I need to do. And the photos involve this, so I mean, think what you might or may. But just wait for the results. Wow. But yeah, we are walking past the slides. I don't see anybody in them right now. I don't know if because of Dirty Rona. Hey, what's up? How you doing? Hey, how you doing? You about to get some breakfast?
I am good now. Not
Okay.
Alright, brother.
And I turned white for a moment. He thought I was from California. I don't even know how. You know, whatever. Alright, so waiting for the elevator. I'm about to show you something in this elevator. Alright, so we're in the elevator. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, reflections.
I'm so sad.
Did you say get out? This. Really sound like you said get out to me?
Oh, hi. Looking for us? Let's go. Oh, I thought you were looking for us because you were right at our door.
That's okay.
I told you what's up this morning.
Where were we? Let's go. So we got into the elevator. I don't think we pressed anything. We did, but we came out to the elevator too early. It wasn't our room. We're on the wrong floor. We weren't paying attention. We went to the door. We went to the door and we're like, hello, let us in, let us in. Wrong floor. Wrong floor. That was
How are we gonna do the stairs?
bye.
This is on floor, I guess.
Alright, so it's midday now. We had breakfast already, came back and we took some photos, which is in the tub that I just showed you. We didn't end up using the milk, but we're still gonna do it in the future. But right now, it's time to rest and have some food. And by some food, I mean we're gonna have a lot of food. Hey guys, it is 11:08 and I'm in the lobby of Royalton. We've actually been walking all over the place just doing random photos. I have this Yanique flash which actually has a video light as well, and I've been just trying it out. So I'm gonna put a few of the shots that I got on screen. They're not gonna be perfect because it's one flash and I didn't have any stand or anything like that. I had it in my hand or I put it somewhere, but let me know what you think of the photos. This is the last night at Royalton and the experience so far has been wonderful. We had an awesome Michael Jackson performance earlier. It was so good and I definitely appreciate my time here. And thank you very much for your support. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Follow OC Imaging, follow OC Product Shots, and also follow Jamrock Cars because I still now and then take photos of cars. So, good night guys. Woo. Wow, this view, I am gonna miss this view. Good morning guys. This is my final morning at the Royalton Hotel, and like I have been saying, or I've already said it in a clip before this, I have thoroughly enjoyed my stay. Currently waiting on room service to bring breakfast, and I'm gonna see if I can have or do a little video. It's a video that I should have done from about November of 2020, and I'm gonna see if I can just get it done because it's for me it's important, so I'm gonna get it done. But Royalton, Blue Waters, absolutely lovely, and the day is not done yet. The day is not done yet. After breakfast we'll be getting ourselves together and hitting the pool. We actually haven't touched the pool since we've got here, but we've still had a lot of fun. So yeah, we're gonna, after the video, we're gonna go ahead and hit the pool and have some fun before we go. not sure how good my audio is going to be. I'm using the LG V20. We have booked out, but you know, we're enjoying the pool and such for a bit before we go. Oh, camera is here. Yeah. But yeah, I said it before, I'll say it again. What has your experience been like?
It has been good. Everybody, like, absolutely everyone has been courteous. We haven't had not even one rude
Staff.
staff member.
No.
Like everything has been.
And they have a key phrase that they end the sentences with. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. Like, and it might be small, but that does a lot. Yeah.
Customer service world, oh yeah. So it really has been good. The rooms are bad. This is the video that they're seeing the room in, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you guys will have an idea, and as you can hear, or should be able to hear, it's very windy, but it's also very sunny. So it's like burn up like that, or it's being colder or whatever. It's really, really nice. And we're just here at the pool, chilling.
Love this.
Oh yeah. The chair that I'm scared of.
Absolutely love this. But yeah, next up is to just get something to eat and then head home. But yeah, if you've made it this far into the vlog, that is gonna be a very long vlog. You're welcome. Oh, the camera's here. You're welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment if you see anything that I could have done better. And yeah, thanks for watching. This is Renouy from OC Imaging, and
Yanique.
Happy New Year again. I mean, second video, but Happy New Year again. Thanks for watching again. Just remember to live, love, and laugh. Peace out.